Hi, good afternoon, everyone. This is Sagar, student ID 202202900. So this is my verification and troubleshooting video for the ICT 3050 assessment number 2, that is routing and switching case study. So let's begin with the step. So this is the final. This is my final network setup, which includes the ISP Sydney and Melbourne branches with routers, switches, server, PCs, um, um, switches, and VLANs, and DHCP server or static IP server and PCs. So I've implemented VLANs, RIP routing, ACL, and Ether channel. Okay, let's begin with the verification. So for the first verification, we're gonna check the IP address. So let's command IP config. Yeah, you can see the IP address over here. That is 10.10.0.1. Subnet mask is 255.0.0.0.0, and the default gateway is 10.10.1.1. So for the second one, it's the same. We're gonna type IP config. Yeah, here's the IP address and everything. For the number 3, again, we're gonna do the same thing. That is IP config. Yeah, here's the IP address for PC3, and also for the last for the PC4. Mm, let's begin with IP config. PCONFIZ. Yeah, that's it. For the second step, we're gonna test the connectivity with pinging from IT PC Melbourne to Sydney server. So what you're gonna do is we're gonna ping here and give the IP address 10.00.1.2. Let's wait for the result. And from HR PC also, we're gonna do the same thing. Ping again the IP address 10.00.1.2. Let's see, the result is already here for PC3 and for PC4 also. We're just waiting for the result. Yeah, there is. And now we're gonna check the routing protocol. Sorry, route protocol. So we're gonna type enable, then show IP route. Yeah, is, and also show IP protocols. That is here. For the same, for the same thing we're gonna do in the Melbourne also. Enable show IP route is this, and also show IP protocols. Yeah, this is it. And now we're going to check the VLAN configuration on switch number 1 of the Melbourne switch. We're going to enable, then we're going to type so VLAN brief. Yeah, is the whole brief of the VLAN. And for the switch 4 also, we're going to do the same thing. That is enable so VLAN brief. Yeah, this is it. Now we're gonna check the, we're gonna verify the inter-VLAN routing router on stick. So on router 2, we're gonna see in. Okay, we're gonna type enable so run. Yep. Yeah, is the IP address and this one too. And now we're gonna verify the Ether channel status on switch number 1 of Melbourne router. So that is so Ether ETHER CHANNEL channel summary. There you go. This is the Ether channel status summary. And now we're gonna check the DHCP on router 1. On router 1, we're gonna type so IP DHCP binding. Yeah, is this one and so run. Yeah, this is it. And also we're gonna check the access control list on R1. So access list, and we already got the 10 permit IP and 2 matches. And now we're gonna so run, and this is it. Okay. So to conclude, all the configuration work as intended. VLANs, inter-VLAN routing, RIP RIP, ACL filtering, DHCP, and Ether troubleshooting steps like ping, so commands, and config checks help identify any issue. And thank you.